If you manage a Telegram channel and want to stop channel admins from sending messages, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is really useful if you want to keep your channel organized, reduce accidental posts, and make sure only the right people have permission to publish content. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram and go to the channel where you want to make the change. Make sure you are the owner or have the right permissions to manage admins, because you won't be able to change admin rights without access. Once you are inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and click the channel name. This will open the channel information page where you can see members, settings, and admin details. From here, click on subscribers. Depending on your Telegram version, this area may also show the admins or the list of people connected to the channel. Now find the admin you want to update. On desktop, right-click the admin and select Edit Admin Rights. This opens the permission settings for that specific admin. Take a moment to review the available options because Telegram gives you different controls depending on how much access you want to allow. Next, expand the Manage Messages section. This is where you control whether that admin can post or manage messages in the channel. To prevent them from sending messages, untick Post Messages. Once that option is turned off, that admin will no longer be able to publish messages to the channel. This is the key setting you need if you want to restrict posting access while still allowing other admin permissions. After that, click Save to apply the changes. Telegram will update the admin rights immediately, and the new restriction will take effect right away. It's always a good idea to double-check the admin profile afterward to make sure the permission was removed correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to prevent channel admins from sending messages on Telegram. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.